Hello everyone and welcome to the 12th session of tips and tricks. Now let's say there is a triangle and from each of the vertex I am drawing two lines. Okay, like this such that no three lines intersect at any particular point. And now the question is how many regions will be there. So if I start counting, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. A total of 19 regions are there. Similarly, if I say, let's say there is a triangle. If instead of two lines, if I draw three lines from each of the vertex such that no three lines intersect at one particular point. So how many regions will be generated? Let's start counting. I can say, let's say this is 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, this is 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, and 37. So in all, a total of 37 regions are there. Now, if I ask you, if I draw four lines from each of the vertex such that no three lines are concurrent, then how many regions will be generated? So if I start counting, it will be very difficult. So there is a general formula for this here. And that general formula is nothing like here I have drawn two lines. In the first figure, I have drawn two lines. So I can say this is 3 into 2 square plus 3 into 2 plus 1. What is this value? This is 12 plus 6 plus 1, which is equal to nothing but 19. If I'm drawn three lines, then in that case, your answer is 3 into 3 square plus 3 into 3 plus 1, and 3 into 3 square is nothing but that is 27. 3 into 3 is 9 and plus 1. So 27 plus 9 plus 1, which is equal to 37. And you can see there are 37 reasons. So in general, it is always given by the formula 3n square plus 3n plus 1. So that's all for today. I hope that you all are enjoying the series of this all the shortcuts and tips and tricks. If you want to keep yourself updated with all these tips and tricks, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can like the video, you can share it with your friends. Thank you.